Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the tube alloy and wall thickness because that controls spring back and tool choice. Clamp the tube in the die with your bend mark aligned. Do this now so the geometry is fixed. Place the mandrel or fill the tube to prevent ovaling. This keeps the cross-section round. Once set, begin a slow, steady pull on the lever to initiate the bend. You must go deliberately to avoid kinks and to keep heat buildup minimal. You continue by controlling speed and feedback. Bend slowly and stop at checkpoints like 45 degrees and 90 degrees to correct alignment. Why? Because stainless work hardens and will kink if stressed too fast. If the tube is thick, apply moderate localized heat to 150–250 degrees C to lower forming force. Make sure to keep movement steady to prevent annealing too much. Once you near the final angle, reduce feed and finish the arc with small, precise pulls so the bend radius stays true. You finish by slowly releasing the mandrel and unclamping the tube, then inspect both inside and outside for ovality or hairline cracks. This is essential to avoid leaks or failures. If the bend springback is present, overbend by 2 to 5 degrees or apply short anneal cycles and reform to hit the final geometry. If you see minor kinks, reinsert internal support and rebend gently. But if there are deep cracks,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.